Welcome to my super messy garage. And this is one of the biggest security weak points in anybody's house. We keep thousands upon thousands of dollars worth of stuff out here, but does it get the security that it really deserves? I mean, not only do we have big garage doors, but there's also secluded doors on the back. So we want to make sure that we have great security out here. But I've been delaying that process because we don't have great Wi-Fi here. This is the one area that's a bit of a dead zone in my house because we just don't typically use Wi-Fi out here. So I don't want to run power over Ethernet either because it's so far, but I think I have just the solution today, and that's the Reolink Elite Wi-Fi. It has dual band Wi-Fi that's sure to solve our problems. Welcome back to Josh's Smart Home, where I've been building out my smart home for about 10 years now, and I want to share with you what I've learned along the way to make your home smarter. And my solution is this Reolink Elite Wi-Fi. This is a dual band Wi-Fi camera, but it supports 4K at 8 megapixels and is a dual lens panoramic 180-degree camera. Not only that, it can detect people, pets, and vehicles, so it can give smart alerts utilizing its AI. It has spotlight night vision, two-way audio, and does feature IP67 waterproofing, so you can place this right outside if you want to. And as you'll see, this does have just a normal outlet plug, so you don't have to worry about hardwiring or running PoE because my garage is out pretty far away from where my router is, so I didn't want to have to run that line. So I'm going to have this directly hooked up via one outlet and then Wi-Fi in my house. So let's get this thing unboxed. First, we have the manual as well as Reolink's worm tips. Not hot takes or anything, but worm tips instead. And next, we have a little box here, and this has the plug in it, as well as what appears to be an extension cord in case this is not a long enough cord, and then does have some simple mounting hardware, including some screws and the anchors for the wall, in case you have drywall you're going to put this in. And last but not least, we have the camera itself. This is a pretty small, compact camera. Definitely has the solid build that you expect from Reolink, and let's see if we can get the sound. And it's a good looking camera like all the Reolink cameras are. Definitely has a sleek look and features the lights, the LEDs integrated right in the camera face, so it's not an odd looking camera at all. And I missed one more thing in the bottom of the box, the two antennas. So I saw the antenna ports on the back of the camera, so I knew I needed to grab these out of the box. So we'll get this secured and we'll put this camera up in our garage and I'll let you see what that's like. So now I got this installed up here, just took a couple of minutes. So I put it up with just 3 anchors, 3 screws, and then 1 plug into the wall behind me. Super simple, super easy. I scanned the QR code on the camera, followed the directions, and connected it right to my Reolink Home Hub Pro. Now it's cool that it's easy to install, but what is the quality like? I want something that can zoom in and see exactly who is in my garage, so I never guess and make sure it's the correct person when I'm trying to identify them. It has a great view. You can zoom right in on the subject or expand it out and see my whole garage all at the same time, not missing anything. But crimes usually happen at night, so check this out. This is just with the infrared technology to light up the area. It looks like daytime, but wait, there's more. Boom, it detected a person, not a spider, not a shadow, and triggered the spotlights. Now I have color footage of the intruder. The AI detection on this is spot on. So after having this installed for a little while, what's the verdict? Well, it's been flawless. The Wi-Fi connectivity has been awesome, even through the thick walls to get into the house. So that's been great. What about the downsides? Well, you do have to have some level of Wi-Fi coverage, and you need an outlet nearby, so it's not a battery-powered camera or anything like that. If you have somewhere you want to set up this camera to get that 180-degree crystal clear view, check out the link in the description below. I'll have it down there so you can check it out easily. And make sure you like and subscribe if you found this video helpful at all. Leave me a comment on where you think the perfect place for this camera is at your home. And stay safe, stay smart. I'll see you in the next one.